Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Imad. I'm sales manager at Petro Solutions. Today I'm here to demonstrate the working of a VEGABAR 38 pressure transmitter with switching function. So this transmitter works both as a pressure transmitter and a pressure switch. It depends on the outputs which you select. Okay, so this one comes with this kind of a display or without this display as well. So if the one without display will be a VEGABAR 28 and with display will be a VEGABAR 38. That's all, that is the difference. Okay, so all of these sensors, whether it is VEGABAR 28, VEGABAR 38, all of these are Bluetooth enabled, which means that I'm able to connect to the Vega Tools app, which is free to download both on Apple as well as on Android. So I'll just go and there is the Bluetooth pairing code on the transmitter. I'll put that, and now it is already connected. I've done it well in advance, so it reads the serial number and what the pressure it is reading. So right now there is no pressure on the cell, that's why it is reading 0 bar. Okay, so when I go to the setup, I can see the measurement loop name initially. So I can give a measurement loop name, say PIT001 or whatever. So I'll leave it at what it is right now, PIT5301. Okay, and then I can go to the switching output. So this transmitter that I have in my hand is from 0 to 1 bar. So right now I have set the switching point at 0.7 bar and the reset point for the switch at 0.4 bar. So this is basically customizable. So it depends on your application. So if it is 0 to 10 bar, you can set the switching point to whatever you like. Okay, switching and reset points. Then if you want to have any switching delay, even that is possible. So right now I have set it at 0.5 seconds. So now let's go back. So apart from this, it's also possible to change the colors on this display. So right now you have this color, it can change to a different color. You can select those colors as well. I'll leave it at whatever it is right now. And there are some extended functions like offset correction. Suppose if there is no pressure applied and your transmitter is reading 0.3 bar or 0.2 bar or something like that, then you can go to offset correction and do a 0 point correction automatically. So this is a 0 point correction automatically, so it will do a automatic 0. So I'll just execute even though it is reading 0 bar, so it will do an automatic 0. So you are set for this. Then you will be able to change the outputs. So this is a transistor output, so you can have PNP or NPN. There are various functions, but for now, if we are just going for switching, PNP or NPN, one of them you can select. And then there are various, in this you have display, so you can select the language, lighting, and then you have different units for pressure. For example, if I click on this, you have millibar, bar, pascal, kilopascal, megapascal. It's up to you which unit you would like to select. I'll leave it at bar, which is there at the moment. And then you have diagnostic functions. You can have the peak values, you can have the measured values, you can do a simulation. So suppose it's connected to your PLC, you'll be able to simulate your 0%, 25, 50, 75, 100 or any milliamp value, and you can push those values and check whether in the DCS you have a similar range. Okay, so this will help you during simulation. Then after all of this is done, let's go back and start to do the switching. So now this is not pressurized, so it is reading 0 bar, the transmitter. So I'll slowly gradually increase the pressure here. So you will be able to see that it increases both on the app and on the display. So as soon as it reaches 0.6 bar, which is my setting point, the color on the ring will change. Basically the switching output becomes on, or 0.7 bar is what I have said. So it at 0.7 bar it switches, and then reset point is at 0.4, I think. So as soon as I release the pressure, so you have the switching again. So this is a very good pressure transmitter, cost effective pressure transmitter, and it comes with a ceramic cell which is abrasion resistant, very good in use for all the industrial applications. So you can also have a milliamp output, which is 4 to 20 milliamps, or you can take the transistor output. So all in all, this is the best transmitter and switch for your industrial applications. Thank you so much.